everybody, it's Harvard lawyer Lee. Today in the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial, we saw Tara Roberts testify. The trial is related to defamation, and Tara is the estate manager of Depp's private island in the Bahamas. She witnessed a fight where Amber was clawing at Johnny Depp. Let's get into her testimony and talk about what it means for the trial. Does it put Johnny Depp on top? How bad is it for Amber? And let me just say for a minute, it's very important to subscribe with the notifications on during these crucial moments of the trial. You want to know what's happening. So it started with Tara saying she found Johnny Depp in the office. After Depp had been there a little bit, Amber came into the office and was saying she was sorry and asking him to come back to the house. Tara said Depp seemed reluctant to leave, but finally did do it. But she and another employee were concerned enough that they drove over to Johnny's house just to check on him. When they got there, they could hear yelling from inside. They could hear Amber yelling and telling Johnny that he was a washed-up actor and would die a fat, lonely old man. And Johnny said to her, "You hit me with a can." And then she said Johnny walked out of the house and Amber came down the steps after Johnny. Amber was telling Johnny she loved him, and then she grabbed his shirt to pull him back into the house. According to Tara, Amber was viciously trying to pull him back in the house, clawing, grabbing at his clothes, grabbing at his hair, trying to pull him back, like angry, is what she said. Depp, according to Tara Roberts, didn't react or do anything at all in retaliation. Tara and the other employee separated Amber and Johnny, and the employee took Amber back into the house, and Tara took Johnny to the cafe. Now, significantly, Tara Roberts said that Johnny Depp did not react or do anything back to Amber after she was attacking him. She said that he had a mark across the bridge of his nose, so she got ice and put it on his nose. She was so concerned that even when she had to leave, she asked the other employee to stay there with Johnny so he wouldn't be by himself. So what does this mean for the trial? It corroborates some earlier testimony we heard from Johnny Depp that Amber threw a can of mineral spirits at him. Also, we heard an audio tape where Depp reminded Amber that she had thrown a can of mineral spirits at him. Now, Tara Roberts did not see that happen, but she said she noticed a liquid on the deck with a can of mineral spirits next to it, which had leaked out onto the deck. Paintbrushes and art supplies were scattered in the bush. She said she saw Amber relatively up close and saw no injuries on Amber. Now, the cross-examination by Amber's lawyers brought out that Tara gets paid $10,000 a month to manage Johnny Depp's private island in the Bahamas, and that she's been working for Depp for 15 years. In my view, I don't think that's going to make people decide everything she said was untrue. But it will mean that people will be lining up to take her spot if she ever decides to retire. Now let's get back to the main point of the case. What does this have to do with defamation? In a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post, Amber accused someone, I think it was pretty clearly Johnny Depp, in my personal opinion, of sexual violence and domestic abuse. Johnny says that defamed him. That's Johnny's suit. Johnny's lawyer then told news outlets that Amber was making the accusations up. Amber says that defamed her, and that's Amber's suit. To win, Johnny has to prove that what Amber said was false. He was not guilty of sexual violence or domestic abuse. Amber has to prove that what Johnny's lawyer said was false, and that Johnny was responsible for it having been said. She has to show she, in fact, was not making it up when she said he abused her. So Tara Roberts' testimony was designed to show that Johnny was not the abuser or the aggressor. Amber was, which goes to the defamation claims by both sides. It also supports what we have heard throughout the trial about Johnny walking away from conflict, not hitting back. So I'm curious, from what you know so far in the trial, who do you think was the aggressor? Johnny Depp or Amber Heard, or do you think it was split evenly? Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.